Congratulations, you bought SoFlo 9-inch halo headlights for Jeep Wrangler and Jeep Gladiator. They come in a box with both headlights, passenger side and driver side. And in the middle, you'll notice a control module with wires and the hardware. We call them plug and play because all you do is plug these in and you can play. The control module has these two wires that are going to go into your switch pod or into your fuse box, and on the back of the control module are these plugs that go directly into your provided headlights. And then the other part, the larger cord, this one right here, is going to go into your factory port. So this goes into your control module, and then your other one will go into the factory. Let me show you. We took off the front grille to show you. These are the brackets. The hardware has springs to adjust the pitch of your lights, but often mechanics will install without the springs. It's depending on what you're looking for. And the module we just put right behind the driver's side headlight. You can see that we strapped it down, and then we run the wire to connect both headlights right along this railing. And if you don't have a switch pod, you're gonna put the switch right into this fuse box using a
then you can fuse
relay.
tap in there.
Once installed, you will see power right away. Use app Happy Lighting, and on the top left menu, you can see that it'll find through Bluetooth the headlights and connect immediately. And then you could have fun using this grid color or preset colors, and you can change the brightness. There's presets. You can make them any color under the rainbow, including white if you just want to drive with that white angel eye look.